5 reasons why the airbag light might show up on your dashboard. An airbag is an integral part of your vehicle's overall safety. It is the only component that physically comes in contact with the passengers in case of a mishap. In most cars, there is a dedicated light that comes on the dashboard if the airbag is turned off. While most people might tend to ignore it, we should always be aware about various signs, especially the ones related to the safety features. Here are 5 reasons why the airbag light might show up on your dashboard. 1. Faulty sensors. There are a number of sensors that work together to ensure that the airbags are functional. These include sensors in the seats, seat belts, on the body, etc. Even if one of these sensors malfunctions, the airbag light will turn on. This is one of the most common reasons for the light showing up on the dashboard. 2. Dead backup battery. A lot of cars have backup batteries that support electronic functions like airbags. A dead backup battery may also trigger the lights on the dashboard. It will go off when the battery gets recharged. If not, the backup battery may need an immediate replacement, along with a sensor reset. 3. Water damage. Sometimes, water damage may reach the parts where the airbags are placed. It may cause a short circuit, or even corrosion resulting in a faulty airbag module. 4. Seat belt. The airbag light also turns on if the seat belt is not fastened on properly. If you already have put on the seat belt and the light is still blinking, there might be a problem with the buckle. There might also be an issue with the sensors on the seat belt which are connected to the airbags. 5. A small collision. Many times, one may hit our car slightly while parking or in bumper-to-bumper traffic. While the airbag might not deploy, the sensors are sensitive enough to detect the collision. This may cause the light to come on. A simple solution is to drive over to a mechanic workshop and give the sensors a reset. How to reset airbag light in 10 simple steps. 1. Turn your ignition on and off. 2. Restart your vehicle and do a test drive. 3. Examine the passenger airbag switch. 4. Inspect whether seat belts are fastened or working correctly. 5. Verify that the passenger seat sensor is not applied. 6. Use a scanner with an SRS or airbag light reset option. 7. Address faulty airbag sensors. 8. Fix or replace a non-working clock spring. 9. Make sure the airbag is not defective. 10. Seek assistance from a professional. If you find this video useful, please share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, we'll respond. Thanks for watching, and